All right, Chef Chozenson is back. All right, in the kitchen, chefing up some Thai basil fried rice today. All right, so we got some jasmine rice I got from BJ's. All right, I don't have a sponsor. I ain't sponsored BJ's, but you know, maybe they might want to hook a brother up. You know, but yeah. So jasmine rice. I'm not gonna go over how to cook rice. All right, 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of water, a little salt, some butter, rice cooker. It's done. I'm not gonna go over cooking rice. All right. You can't cook rice. You don't need me. You need Jesus. All right. So got some chicken. Some chicken already cut up already. Gonna season that bad boy up. Just simple stuff. A little salt, a little pepper, a little garlic, a little onion, and a little bit of paprika. I like a little color. Like my woman. Like a little color. All right. It's very simple, easy. Salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, paprika. Hit it with a little soy sauce. Forgot. Soy sauce. My bad. Soy sauce. A little salt in this bad boy. Not too much. Alright. Let me see here. A little pepper. Here's some garlic. I like to do 3 passes with my stuff. Pass 1, pass 2, pass 3. 3 passes is how I measure my stuff. Hit a little paprika. Do a little bit of soy sauce. Soy sauce. Why I can't say that right? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Gonna mix that bad boy up. Now I got that bad boy a little seasoned. I got a little tray to drain out this water while I let it marinate inside the fridge. So, alright, so I got this tray. I put the chicken on and strain all the water out while I put it in the fridge, let it marinate. And get all that water out. So, got a little tray. Gonna put that bad boy in the fridge, let it marinate, all that water drain out. So it's not gonna give me no issues when I put it in the wok and try to fry it, alright? Alright, but to go on to the next step, stay tuned. Alright, welcome back to Chef Chozenson's kitchen. Alright, earlier you seen me actually season up the chicken. So now we're going to go to the next step of actually making the sauce for the Thai basil fried rice with chicken. Alright, so now we got the sauce here. We got some oyster sauce. We use 2 tablespoons full. I've already put 2 tablespoons full inside the cup already. 2 tablespoons oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of the Thai Kitchen premium fish sauce. So let me finish this up. This is super stuff. Slow drip. Doing just a sprinkle. Private joke. Alright. So 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon fish sauce. Just need to have a little bit of brown sugar in here. teaspoon, just a teaspoon. Not too much. Gonna have a little sweet, a little salt. Like this much is good. Maybe you get a little closer, not that much. Mix this up. Alright, sauce is ready. Alright, now over here we got some fresh garlic. There's 6 cloves of fresh garlic. Alright, get it pre-peeled. Makes your life so much easier. And I got some whole dried chili. So 6 cloves of the garlic. You use 3. Use 3 of these. These can be really hot. So I used 3 of them, and I took the seeds out of 2 of them. So only one of them had the seeds in it. Try to control the heat. Alright, so slice up the garlic. I got a quarter white onion. I got some red peppers, some green peppers. Alright, and that's pretty much all we need. And I already have some fresh basil, already washed, ready to go. I got the rice ready. I already cooked the rice, 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of water, salt, butter, simple. Alright, put it in the fridge. It's better when it's cold, or a day old. So I put it in the fridge, let it get cold. Now, I'm gonna hook up this chicken real quick. Turn the fire on, got the nice wok over here. Put on like 5. In the heat, let that get hot, add a little bit of oil, and saute the garlic and the onions and the peppers and everything together, alright? So, we're gonna let this get hot. Use a little bit of olive oil. I like olive oil better than vegetable oil. Alright, got a little closer look at the pot. Let that get hot. You know what's hot? When you put a little wooden spoon inside, oil starts to bubble. You know it's hot. And as I showed you earlier with the chicken, I had it seasoned, salt, pepper, garlic, powder, onion powder, paprika, a little bit of soy sauce. And I got the little strainer. It gets all that water, see all that water in the bottom? It strains all that water out. So you don't have to worry about anything bubbling up when you're frying chicken. This is hot. See in here? Look. Put the spoon in there. See that thing bubbling up? Now, oil is hot. So I'm gonna make this chicken. Add some of this. You don't get the water out. It starts bubbling, foaming. You don't want it foaming. When you're frying. I should cut up 2 chicken breasts. Slice it up. Use all that water that would have been in there. Let this let this cook. So fry up a little more. And we'll come back to this when it's finished frying. Stay around for this. We can put that on pause. We'll be back. Alright, so I took some of the water out. Some water pouring out. Add a little oil. Turn the fire up. So now get the chicken nice and brown. Chicken is good to go. So now, I'll take the chicken out. All that juice in there. Add a little bit of olive oil. Add the onions. Saute these onions up. Fresh garlic. And the peppers. Get this caramelized. Smells amazing. It's all nice and nice color to it. Looking good. Add these green peppers and red peppers. Saute this up. Now we have our rice. Saute it nice, give it a nice flavor. Woo! Hope I ain't put too much pepper. We're gonna find out. Add some rice. There's 2 cups of rice. Use all this. That's enough. That's enough rice. And use all of it. Add the sauce. this up. Looking good. Add chicken in here. You can add a little soy sauce in here if you like it. Want it a little darker. And I kind of like the color to this. That's cheap. Add the basil. First basil coming in. Mix this up. Let that flavor get in there. Smelling good in the kitchen. Let that basil cook in. Let the flavor get in there. Smelling good, looking good. Chef Chozenson.Thai's kitchen. All right. We are done, people. Just mixing everything up. That basil flavor is in there. Nice and hot, fresh. Look at the color. We are ready to plate and serve and eat. Stay tuned for more recipes to come. Try us at home, leave a comment, subscribe. Chozen.Thai, Chef Chozen.Thai on YouTube. I'm on TikTok too, Chozen.Thai. Check me out. Alright, Chef Chozen.Thai is back. Alright, in the kitchen, chefing up some Thai basil fried rice today, alright? So, we got some jasmine rice I got from BJ's. Alright, I don't have a sponsor. I ain't sponsored BJ's, but you know, maybe they might want to hook a brother up, you know? But yeah, so jasmine rice, I'm not gonna go over how to cook rice. Alright, 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of water. A little salt, some butter, rice cooker, It's done. I'm not gonna go over cooking rice, all right? You can't cook rice. You don't need me. You need Jesus. All right, so got some chicken. Some chicken already cut up already. Gonna season that bad boy up. Just simple stuff. A little salt, a little pepper, a little garlic, a little onion, and a little bit of paprika. I like a little color. Like my woman. Like a little color. All right. It's very simple, easy. Salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, paprika. Hit it with a little soy sauce. Forgot. Soy sauce. My bad. Soy sauce. A little salt in this bad boy. Not too much. Alright. Let me see here. A little pepper. Here's some garlic. I like to do 3 passes with my stuff. Pass 1, pass 2, pass 3. 3 passes is how I measure my stuff. Hit a little paprika.